Mommy Makeover is a surgical procedure consisting of some type of breast procedure, whether it's a breast lift, breast reduction, and augmentation, or a combination of thereof. It also consists of some abdominal work, which is tummy tuck, maybe a mini tummy tuck, and then a lot of times liposuction. So really this is a restorative procedure to get back the body that they formerly had. I personally think that this is a wonderful gift for moms to give themselves, because you restore your confidence, you get back the youthful body that you used to have, and if you take care of yourself, you can take care of your family. The length of the procedure is really dependent on the type of procedures that is best fit for you. So it can be as short as 2.5 to 3 hours if we're just doing abdominoplasty and maybe a breast augmentation. Or if we're doing a breast lift with an augmentation and adding liposuction and other add-on procedures, it can be a little bit longer. The best time is really after you're done with pregnancies or family expansion. And I always tell patients that you're eager to get the procedure right after your last baby. Well, it takes 9 months to produce a baby. Let's wait about 9 months to get you back to a stable weight. So once you've decided to proceed with the Mommy Makeover and you've had the surgery, it's really important to make sure that you have a support system at home while your body heals. Patients after a Mommy Makeover feel so much better about themselves. They feel like they were back to their former body. They're ready to get back at it, and they feel a lot younger and just ecstatic about the results that they had.